Hi, so this is question 77 on stoichiometry. If 15 grams of N2O4 was produced, how many moles of O2 were required? And that is our equation there, right? So how do we do this? 15 grams of N2O4, let's probably get what that would be in moles. Oh, it didn't work. I have to do it manually then. So, molar mass of N2O4 would be equal to 2 multiplied by N is 14, and 4 multiplied by oxygen is like that. By the time I calculate all that, I should be able to have 92 grams per mole, meaning that the number of moles of N2O4 would be the mass divided by molar mass, and that's 15 divided by 92, which should give me 0.163 in moles. That's like the mole of N2O4. Now, from this equation, which is balanced, right? It's balanced, right? Because that's important. We can see that 2 moles of O2 produced 1 mole of N2O4. Can you see that? So how many moles of O2 are required now to produce 15 grams of N2O4? That's what the question is asking. And 15 grams of N2O4 is actually this moles of N2O4. So if I had to deal with 0.163 moles of N2O4, I would require a particular amount of oxygen to do that. And that would just be 0.163 multiplied by 2. So this is how simple some of these chemistry questions could be. It's just that if you don't really know it, at first it might look difficult. And other concepts too in chemistry, they may look like this, but it could be quite easy, especially these kind of questions. So let us know. If you need a tutor for your chemistry or your schoolwork generally, you can log on to our website, copychemistry.com, and you should see a button there to help you get a tutor or help you with your schoolwork generally. All right, so that is by the way. Here is question 77, and we're going to 100. Subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, and let us know what topic we should tackle next after stoichiometry. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.